In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add name fields in Forminator forms in WordPress. First, you need to install and activate Forminator Forms plugin. I've already installed it. Now, if you want to learn how to install plugins in WordPress, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. To configure this plugin, hover onto Forminator and click on the dashboard in the sidebar. Here you can create a new form or edit an existing one. To insert name fields, click on Insert Fields. Select the name field and then click on Insert Field button. Here in the pop-up, you can configure various field settings, like you can edit the label name here. You can even edit the placeholder text here as well. Under the Settings tab, you can make this field optional or required. You can even customize the error message. Under the Styling tab, you can add custom CSS code, if any, to design the field as per your need. And you can even configure visibility settings here. Once you're done, click on Apply. And to change the position of the field, you can use drag and drop functionality like this. Now let's preview the form. You can see the name field has been added here. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.